Hello, teacher.
Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Give me a high five. Alright, let's start talking about your clothes. Tell me please, what is this?
This is my t-shirt.
T-shirt. What color is your t-shirt?
My t-shirt is
White.
white.
Tell me please, what is this?
This is my jumper.
What color is your jumper?
My jumper is blue.
Okay. Tell me please, what is this?
This is my jacket.
What color is your jacket?
My jacket is purple.
And?
White.
We got the same jackets, huh? That's cool. Tell me please, what are they?
They are my socks.
Okay. What color are your socks?
My socks are
Good.
brown.
Gray.
Gray.
Tell me please, what are they?
They are my trousers.
Trousers. What color are your trousers?
My trousers are black.
Black. That's very good, Mike. One more high five. Good job. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.